second. Okay, you know, if you know it different, I trim the nails a little bit. Instagram, come back to me.
Don't let you shadow.
Oi.
Because it's at. That's why you're trying to run it before.
Okay, keep for 30 seconds. Gonna pay attention. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our live tutorial. I'm so sorry I didn't pay attention there was Anne. But I am back right now, so you can come back and join with me. Hi Foxy. Hey Sarah, thank you so much Sarah. Yeah, you all coming back. Hey Jenny. Thank you so much for tuning back in. This one is so stunning. Okay. Try to get more flowers. Like that. Like that. Fold the piece of paper. I'm gonna get the piece of paper. I'm gonna rub it. I promise when you're doing this with the real client's nails, it's so much easier. I love the sound of it because it means that you stay on. It transfer everything for me now. All done. Haha, good. Now I am going to using some crystal placement. Look at that, how it transfer the space. Okay. Oh, I dropped it. I'm using condensed glue gel. Let me just add just a little bit, excuse me, crystal on it. And no white top coat. Do some what flowers there?
Cherry blossom.
I'm gonna do cherry blossom. Just that. I don't want to take away from that. Just two, that's all. Too much, you're gonna make it busy. You don't have to. I just want to show you another option you can do, you know. I'm gonna using a tiny little beads crystal right there. Do you ever have a clients like my clients will put the foil on it? And my lovely clients will like, that's it, Nancy? do you want to put the crystal for me? I said, oh, do you want a crystal too? So I said, yeah, of course. I said, okay. They will not let me do just chamfer foil. They said like, are you gonna do some crystal on? So I don't know if any of you related at all. Me and my clients. They either go big or they go home, so they decide they're gonna go big. And I love that. Because they are so beautiful and a lot of cute flowers here. I do not want to take it away. I just want to show you options of like if the clients want some crystals, you can do a bigger crystal, smaller crystal. We're trying to fill in the gaps there. But you absolutely don't necessarily have to. But my clients will not let me go move to the next clients if they're not gonna do some crystal on it. At least I have to give them few, or else they will not. They were sitting there and waiting until crystal gonna be up lights on. So really awesome clients. So I hope you all enjoying it like this. We can't wait until we see our clients again. And just wipe it up here on the side. And then, I like that. Okay. Do just a little bit right there. Just here's some option for all of you who has the clients asking for. I also have clients like working really conservative in the office. Then we do just a little bit crystal on only. It doesn't have to be fancy. You happy with this? Do you want more? I asked because we are doing it together. So if you're happy with this, and we are gonna cure it. We're going to cure it instead of Glitz. Just a little bit blings on. Hold on. Maybe I should bling this. Hold on, we're gonna do. There you go. Good. Here for 60 seconds. Just in case your clients want something like that, you can absolutely, make them happy. Okay. You want to see how this one look? Nuna, you want to see this? Okay. Sarah, I'm doing it for you. This one is a design. Oh, this one you mean? This one from number 29 is the newest collection. And then this one is a design, I think it's designer collection. Is that right? Okay, so let me double secure this using a precision glue. And you see with the little ones, when I put the no wipe top coat on the top, it's really secure, it's good. I'm just really double check, and then I just only squeeze, just give a little squeeze out. So when I feel the scratchy, I use these doing exam first. And I did good with this one. Oh, touching it. And I'm gonna using a twin tip brush, going to blend it nicely. So after you cure the client, so you don't see, is it gonna be really flawless? It doesn't see any lumpy bumpy at all. Just little baby right there. Great. So now you're gonna cure for 60 seconds. This nail is gonna be completely done. I'm so excited, everyone, for the next nails. Next nails I do 2 shape. Oh, because I was bounced on Virgin Mary, so I don't want to see. Okay, it's okay. I'm like, when life give you lemons, you make what?
Lemon cake.
No, you make
Lemon
hold on, what is other? Not lemon cake. Hold on, one more thing is with lemons.
Lemonade.
Not lemonade. It's something like a pastries cake, not cake. Anyone remember what it is? All of a sudden I forgot. If I have Google in front of me, I will ask him. Not lemonade. Something is like.
Lemon cake.
Not lemon cake. It's something. It's like no, it's look like when you bake it in like a brownie, but it's in lemon. I feel weird because when my other salon in Seattle, I have one of the clients. She did the best lemon. What is that called?
Lemon tart?
Not lemon tart. So of course I'm gonna lemon nails. This is kidding. Okay, I will find out it, and I promise I will let you know what it is. We did, okay, let me recap quick before we move to the next one. We are going